Hello everyone. Today, I'll introduce to you how to use the new letter stitching feature launched by institch. We click New to create a new design. Here we can see that institch's most recent update to the overall UI underwent a major renovation and optimization. However, this time we will focus on explaining how to use institch's letter stitching feature. We click the text button in the upper left corner. Here we have preset some fonts for use, and we will add more fonts for selection later. We randomly select a font here. After selecting, click on the canvas with the brush. It can be seen that a font was generated immediately. Next, we need to further adjust the parameters for generating the font. Make sure the font is selected, then click Params. Let's take a look at the adjustment functions of each property from top to bottom. The first one allows us to freely switch the font of the already generated stitching, just like this. Second, enter the specific letter you want to generate in the input box. Click Create, and the letter embroidery trace will be automatically generated. The following gap, font height, aspect ratio, font italic, and space width are all quite easy to understand. Trying them out will reveal their functions. Next are some relatively basic functions like stitch improvement, underlay, and function code. The font edit below is mainly used for adjusting font layout and is also very simple. After trying to click, you will know what its functions are. In addition to being able to click the Params button to adjust the attributes of the letter embroidery, you can also adjust the needlework directly on the canvas, and the attribute values will be updated accordingly. Oh, by the way, in the font selection section, all the fonts before are English fonts, and the ones after are Arabic, Russian, and Chinese fonts. Note that the language generated must correspond to the fonts, otherwise problems will occur. If you encounter any problems while using it or have more suggestions, feel free to comment or send a private message. Thank you.